Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Karnataka not to divert Mhadei water gives interim assurance to the tribunal. Tribunal issues interim stay on project work till next hearing in March. Mines Department appoints 2 teams to verify encroachments by mines mentioned in Shah Commission. Teams to visit all sites, report by 19th October. Two charter flights land at Daboli Airport. 395 international tourists arrive in the state. Passengers face theft from luggage on day 1. BJP state unit polls in November. No cabinet minister to contest for state president's post. Parsekar says 9 cylinders a year enough for a Goan family. Brandon Fernandes begins 2-week trial with English Premier League side Reading FC. Brandon's discipline and hard work have paid off, says youngster's father Jaju Fernandes. And Tilak Maidan refurbishment work begins. Contractors SMC Infra assure to meet 75-day deadline. Fatoda Stadium work to begin soon. Other Lusophonia infrastructure to be tendered on Wednesday. And now the news in detail. Karnataka has told the Mhadei tribunal that they will not divert Mhadei water till the tribunal decides on the water sharing. Karnataka has given this interim assurance to the tribunal. The tribunal has issued interim stay on the Mhadei project till next hearing in March. They have fixed a schedule of hearing on water sharing for the 3 states.
3 वांगड्यांचो ट्रायब्युनल हेडेड बाय जस्टिस J.M. पांचाल हांच्या मुखार ही सुनावणी जाली. गोंय आनी कर्नाटका मदलो म्हादय उदकाचो प्रश्न ह्या लवादाच्या मुखार आसा. हो प्रश्न तडीक लागमेरेन कळसा बंडोराचें काम स्थगीत दवरचें म्हूण गोंय सरकारान अंतरीम अर्ज केल्लो. ताचेर ही सुनावणी जाली. म्हादयच्या सुनावण्या खातीर ट्रायब्युनलान एक टायम शेड्यूल फिक्स केला. त्या टायम शेड्युला प्रमाण कर्नाटक, गोंय आनी महाराष्ट्राक उदकावेलो आपलो दावो स्पश्ट करचो पडटलो. आपलो दावो स्पश्ट करपाक ट्रायब्युनलान 3 राज्यांक 10 डिसेंबर पर्यंत वेळ दिला. त्या दाव्याचेर 3 राज्यांक आपलो रिप्लाय फायल करचो पडटलो. तो रिप्लाय फायल करपाक ट्रायब्युनलान फेब्रुवारी मेरेन वेळ दिला. आनी जर खंयच्या राज्याक त्या रिप्लायचेर रिजंडर फायल करपाक जाय जाल्यार ताका फेब्रुवारी एंड पर्यंत तो फायल करचो पडटलो. त्या उपरांत 15 मार्चाक ट्रायब्युनल इश्यूज फ्रेम करतले. इश्यूज फ्रेम केल्या उपरांत 27 मार्चाक खरी सुनावणी सुरू जातली. हें टायम शेड्यूल खंयच्या परिस्थितीन बदलचें ना अशें ट्रायब्युनलान स्पश्ट केलां. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट देवेंद्र गांवकारा वांगडा लौकीक शिलकार, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Mines Department has appointed 2 teams to verify encroachments by some mines beyond their lease area, as mentioned by the Shah Commission. These teams will visit all the mining sites and report on the current status of encroachment. They have been asked to submit a report by 19th October.
The number of committees and teams constituted to verify illegalities following Shah Commission report is still increasing. Directorate of Mines and Geology constituted 2 teams on Tuesday to check encroachments by different mine leases. North Goa team, Jayant Sirsat, Assistant Geologist DMG, J.A. Kamath, Surveying Officer DMG, Sham Savant, Technical Assistant DMG, Krishna Gaus, Driver DMG. South Goa team, Ramnath Shergaonkar, Assistant Geologist DMG, Suraj Kalgutkar, Technical Assistant DMG, Snehal Sangelkar, Head Surveyor DMG, and Nilesh Parulekar, Driver DMG. They will submit a report on the encroachments by 19th October. They will prepare a chart mentioning the present land status in the remarks column. Many mine owners and BJP MLAs had objected to Shah Commission's interpretation of encroachment, alleging that the Commission prepared the report based on Google Maps and not actual site inspection. Meanwhile, former DYSP of the crime branch, Chandrakant Salgaonkar, is suspended following government's FIR in the Korgaon illegal mining case. Salgaonkar is charged with dereliction in duty by helping the accused Jitendra Deshprabhu and destroying evidence. Mhadei for Prudent Media.
The first 2 charter flights of the tourism season landed at Daboli Airport in the wee hours of Tuesday. A total of 395 international tourists have arrived in the state. Charter flights, Nordwind Air Charter and Orient Charter landed between 2 to 5 in the morning. Some of the passengers have complained that their luggage was unlocked while handling. The issue has been reported to the Airport Advisory Committee.
There were 210 passengers who have come from Moscow. We are expecting something around 72 rotations at present. It could be more because they are also planning now Trivandrum stopover in Goa because we are having these early morning flights. Now the flights have, we have changed the slots so that we can get a better load. Now it will come early in the morning at 8:30. Charters which as of now, which they have booked, it should be around 890 to 900 charters.
However, cases of luggages being unlocked continues. 4 passengers from the first charter flight complained that their bags were unlocked while handling luggage at the airport. Now the Airport Advisory Committee has assured to look into the matter.
There have been complaints in the past about suitcases being broken open by the loaders. We have taken up this issue with at the last meeting of the Airport Advisory Committee, and which was chaired by Mr. Sardina. And we have complained against porters, about demanding money, about charging to use the toilet, about breaking open luggage. Things have improved a bit today, but still we have got about 4 complaints. 4 complaints have come in about suitcases being broken open, which we shall look into it and ensure that something is done and this does not continue, because it does bring a very bad name to our state. Well, we'll have to bring this to their notice and find out where the loophole is, when do the loaders get to break open the suitcases. We have to investigate into this.
A reporter from Daboli, Surendra Madkekar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.